day to all out there watching this video. I am Vasu Chaudhary and I did my diploma in IT from Amity Polytechnic, Greater Noida. Before I take you the journey of 3 years of my diploma, I'd like to thank all the faculty members and administration for giving me this opportunity that I could share my experience with you all. Diploma was for 3 years and we did everything. It was from studying to taking parts in sports or cultural events that used to take place in a college. It was totally wonderful time spending with different people, making new friends, studying different technologies, languages, programming languages of my core branch. We enjoyed a lot. So those 3 years includes from studying in the class, doing experiments in the lab, doing internship. Internship, one of the most important and interesting part of diploma. I'll come to that point, internship, but before I come to internship, I'll like to tell you the subject that I studied and which helped me after I completed my diploma, and I'm going for my higher studies, and these subjects are helping me a lot. The subjects were different programming languages, C, Java, C++, the basic subjects, database management, microprocessors, electronics engineering, and whatnot. So there are different subjects which we studied during our course. And the course that we studied helped us get up extremely important and the most important part of the diploma, internship. The company which I landed was Educate. It was a startup from Amity Incubator, and in that internship, I learned many new things. I worked on the live projects which I used to study in class. I was actually implementing those topics in front of my desktop. So it was a totally different moment that what I used to study, I'm implementing those in actual life. It was a cherishable moment for me, and I got an opportunity to work with such experienced persons in their own field, and it's just because of our faculty, their efforts, because of which they helped us to land in these internships. It was a great moment, and from our batch, almost all of the students, we were landed in some of the other company, and we worked day and night, and we enjoyed a lot during the internships. We learned many different things. I personally used to work on Linux software, Linux operating system. It was a great. So internship, I personally thank my faculties that I was able to learn new parts, new technologies, new languages just because of them. So those 3 years, I don't know where they just finished, but it was a great moment. I studied, I enjoyed, and many more things. So finally, I would like to thank all the faculty and my friends who were there with me the whole time of this course. And these 3 years I'll always remember in my whole life. So thank you Amity, for giving me this beautiful opportunity. Thank you.